Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Volta for adding a payment card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Volta for adding a payment card, start by visiting the official Volta website. Once on the homepage, look for the sign up or register button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration form. Begin by entering your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements stated. After that, fill in your first and last name. If prompted, enter your phone number to verify your identity. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account or Register button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Open your email inbox and look for the email from Volta. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you back to the Volta website. Log in using your newly created email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payment Methods section in your account settings. Click on Add Payment Method to start the process. Select your preferred payment method, such as credit or debit card. Fill in the required card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that all information is accurate to prevent payment issues. After entering your card details, click on the Save or Add Card button. You should receive a notification confirming that your payment method has been added successfully. Once completed, you are ready to use your payment card for transactions with Volta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.